up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this springtime makeup look for you guys, and I'm super excited for this to be my first makeup look back to YouTube. It has been a long time, but we are back and we are so excited to be making makeup videos again because we have missed it so much, we as in me. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into this video. I'm so excited. I'm using some fun little things in this video to make this makeup really pop for springtime. So if you guys are interested in seeing how we get this look, then please keep watching. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be priming our skin, and I'm going to be using this Fenty moisturizer as our first step of priming for my moisturizer, and then I'm going in with Fenty's primer to get rid of all my fine lines, and then I'm just spraying myself with their setting spray, and I'm also using their foundation. So this is a really nice foundation. I would say it is pretty buildable, but it is a little bit sheer. I guess if you're going to be under a lot of lighting, I would say do 2 layers. And then I'm going to be using some concealer by Fenty as well. I really like Fenty. Their products are really nice, and I feel like they are pretty good quality considering the price point. So I really like it, and I'm using the Beauty Blender to blend everything out. Now time to set everything, and I'm using this Ben Nye like ultra white powder because I like a really bright highlight under my eyes and on my highlighted areas, so that's what we're doing there. And then I'm just gonna set everything else with my Makeup Forever translucent powder. And then for contour, I'm just contouring my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I feel like everyone knows about this palette because it's been out for so long. And now for my eyes, I'm just going to be using this Taco shade by Sugarpill for a base to make sure all my colors pop. And we're going to be going in with this orange color. You can get all of these colors on sugarpill.com. I love Sugarpill. They're literally my favorite for any eyeshadow. So good for like crazy colors. Oh my god, perfect. And I'm just blending this out with a MAC, I think it's 217 brush. Again with the orange. I'm also using it for my blush, and I'm just applying that on my cheeks and blending it out. Back into our eyes, we're going to be using this Taco shade to really brighten everything up. And then onto highlight, I'm using this old Kat Von D palette, but I'm just using a really pretty kind of orange shade mixed in with some pink to give me a really nice base for my highlight. And this is the fun part. I'm going to be using this eyelash glue, and I'm going to be putting this on all the areas where I use the highlighter. And now I'm using some glitter, and I'm just putting this glitter all over my highlight to really give you like a really nice 3D effect, and it makes you look so pretty with all the glitter. And I'm also putting this in my inner corner of my eyes to tie everything together. Onto eyeliner, I'm using my favorite eyeliner. This is by Stila, and it is the blackest black one. I really like doing a dramatic wing for pretty much any look. I feel like it just makes everything pop and really gives you so much drama. Now onto eyebrows. I'm using this clear eyebrow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm also going to be adding this really cute sticker to my highlighter because it's a cute little puppy, and it's also the color scheme that we're trying to do. Now onto mascara. This is just our base mascara so our eyelashes can match our fake ones, and these are the iconic eyelashes by House of Lashes, and I used 3 of them. Now onto this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Milk for our under eyes, and then for mascara I'm using this Tarte one. I really like the wand on this mascara because you can really get your lower lashes really nice with it. Last is our lips, and this is a new brand by Gwen Stefani, and the color that I'm using is in Sweet Tooth, and it's just a perfect nude. And once that's all applied, you are officially done with this pretty spring peach look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments down below if you would wear this makeup look out, because I would love to know. And let me know in the comments down below if you're excited for spring and what your favorite spring activity is. Mine would probably be looking at all the flowers blooming because I am like a grandma and I love floral smells. And let me know in the comments down below if you even got this far into this video. So leave a little flower emoji if you got to the end of this video. So that's pretty much it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!